नमस्कार, मी राजकुमार महाजन, स्टुडंट वेलफेअर इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल दहागाव. दिनांक 5 सप्टेंबर 2020 म्हणजेच डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन यांचा जन्मदिवस. शिक्षक दिनाचे औचित्य साधून विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी विविध विषयांवर वक्तृत्व स्पर्धेचं आयोजन करण्यात आलं होतं. या स्पर्धेचा निकाल नुकताच जाहीर करण्यात आला आहे. पाहूया हा स्पेशल रिपोर्ट.
ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव. Good morning everyone, myself Yuga Gopal Deshmukh. I am learning in 6th standard. We all know today we are gathered here to celebrate Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day for memory of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was first Vice President of India and second President of India. His father name is Viramaswamy and mother name is Sita Amma. He is good writer and also a social worker. He wrote many books. In 1954, he awarded government by Government of India as a Bharat Ratna. He respect to all teachers. That's why he want to celebrate their birthday as Teachers Day. Teachers makes important role in students' life. They guide us, they teach us, they inspire us. Today is the day to thank them, and say Happy Teachers Day to all teachers. Thank you. Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. We all have gathered today to celebrate Teachers Day. Today's day is special day for all of us, where we can pay a hearty tribute to our dear teachers who take entire efforts to build our future. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. 5th September birth anniversary Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second President of India. He was also a great scholar and a teacher. Thank you very much.
पुढील क्रमांक घोषित करण्याच्या अगोदर घेऊयात एक छोटासा ब्रेक. तुम्ही कुठेही जाऊ नका, पाहत रहा स्वयं न्यूज.
अच्छी हुई ना? हाँ. अरे बच्चे कहाँ हैं? ओह गॉड, अरे कितने जर्म्स होंगे, बीमार पड़ेंगे. डोंट वरी, ईशान संभाल लेगा.
इससे पहले मम्मी है, चलो डेटॉल करें.
जिस घर में होती है डेटॉल आदत, उस घर बीमारी कम हो. क्योंकि डेटॉल आदत देती है 100 बीमारी फैलाने वाले जर्म से सुरक्षा.
आप
सफाई तो अच्छी कर ली ईशान.
अपने भी और जर्म्स की भी.
मेरा घर डेटॉल का धुला.
A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Razu Sandivagar. I am learning in standard 3rd. At first, a very happy Teachers Day to all my teachers like God. Today I am fortunate to speak on the occasion of Teachers Day. Today I am going to speak about importance of teachers in our life. Firstly, I would say that I am so lucky to have school like temple and teachers like God. My teachers are like my parents. They help me and guide me in all the stages of my life. Good morning to my lovely friends and my teachers. First of all, happy Teachers Day. My name is Janvi Arun Tela. Today I will speak something about my school. My school name is Student Welfare English Medium School, Dahagaon. The school is a place that prepares us for a good tomorrow. My school is the best school in our town. My school building is very spacious and beautiful. It has a huge playground where we play outdoor games together. We celebrate all festivals together with lots of fun and joy. I have many friends in my school. We wear study and play together. My teachers are very kind and caring towards everyone. I love to go to school because I learn new things every day. Here I conclude my speech. Once again, happy Teachers Day to my all lovely teacher. Thank you.
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namah. I wish you all my dear teachers happy Teachers Day. Good morning, ma'am. Myself Arnav Kishore Deshmukh. I am learning in 3rd standard. As we know, 5th September is a Teachers Day. And I speak about our respected teacher Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He is the first Vice President and second President of India. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September at Tirupati and his father name was Sarvapalli Veeraswamy and mother name is Sita Amma. In his family.
Hello everyone, and first of all, happy Teachers Day to all of my respected teachers. Myself Anushka Mahesh Ahir, and today I am going to give a speech on importance of a teacher in a student's life. Teachers play a very essential role in a student's life. Not only the teachers, but also we learn many useful things from them, like moral values, how to treat others equally, and how to behave kindly with our classmates. Teacher is a significant part of our life. All over India, Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year to show respect to all the teachers in our country. This marks the birth anniversary of our first Vice President and second President of our country.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णू गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। आज दिनांक 5 सप्टेंबर 2020 रोजी स्वतंत्र भारताचे प्रथम उपराष्ट्रपती तथा द्वितीय राष्ट्रपती डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन यांची जयंती निमित्त भारतात शिक्षक दिन साजरा केला जातो। या कार्यक्रमाचे औचित्य साधून कोरोनाच्या महासंकटामध्ये विद्यार्थ्यांनी घरबसल्या ऑनलाईनच्या सहाय्याने शिक्षक दिनानिमित्त ऑनलाईन वक्तृत्व स्पर्धेत उत्स्फूर्त सहभाग नोंदविला। या स्पर्धेचे आयोजन शाळेचे दोन्ही मुख्याध्यापक MP कदम सर व अंजली अश्विन निलपर यांनी केले, तर संकलन व निरीक्षण तंत्रस्नेही शिक्षक राजकुमार महाजन यांनी केले। चालू वर्षात पुढेही होणाऱ्या वेगवेगळ्या स्पर्धेत विद्यार्थ्यांनी जास्तीत जास्त सहभाग नोंदवावा याकडे पालकांनी लक्ष द्यावे। शिक्षक दिनाच्या सर्व शिक्षकांना तथा माझ्या आयुष्यात वेगवेगळ्या स्वरूपात ज्यांनी मोलाचे मार्गदर्शन केले त्या सर्व गुरूंना शिक्षक दिनाच्या कोटी कोटी शुभेच्छा। धन्यवाद।